Hi, I'm Steven Herrera. Today I am going to show you how to make a recipe for Nutella brownies. This recipe is from handletheheat.com. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. The first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan with foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. The second step is to combine 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 1/2 sticks unsalted butter cut into pieces, and 4 ounces unsweetened chocolate chopped. I am going to heat this on the stove until it is melted and smooth. Be sure to use a low heat setting so as not to burn the chocolate. Once the mixture is melted, let it cool slightly, then stir in 1/2 cup Nutella. In a large bowl, beat 3 large eggs, 1 egg yolk, and 1 1/4 cups sugar with an electric mixer on medium-high until light and thick, about 3 minutes. Beat in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir in the cool chocolate mixture with a rubber spatula. Add 3/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Fold in gently until combined. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until a tester comes out with moist crumbs still attached. Be careful not to overbake. Err on the side of underbaking. Once the baking is finished, let the brownies cool to room temperature before serving. These brownies look so good, I'm going to have to try one right now. Enjoy!